Building an Evergreen affiliate program that runs itself might sound complicated, but in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to do it step by step and why it's the smartest move for your business. Stick with me till the end, because you'll not only learn the strategy, but I'll also give you a special tool to make the process a lot easier. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need for an Evergreen affiliate program is automation. You don't want to be manually handling every affiliate relationship and payment. This software we'll be using makes this super easy, and I've tried all the most popular affiliate software out there. It's the one I recommend, and I'm offering you an exclusive free trial for it. Check the description for that. You can follow along in real time. To kick things off, start by choosing the right platform. You need software that can handle affiliate tracking, payments, and communication automatically. Our software does all of that, and you don't have to worry about doing anything manually after setup. The system tracks everything for you and sends out commissions automatically. Next, make sure you have a clear commission structure. A high conversion rate depends on offering affiliates a commission that motivates them, but is still profitable for your business. You want to set this up once, then let it run. With the software, you can automate this process so every affiliate gets paid as soon as they close a sale. The next piece is a solid affiliate resource center. You want to make it as easy as possible for your affiliates to promote your product. Give them banners, links, and ready-made content they can use to market. You can upload all of these into the software, and it will automatically keep everything updated for your affiliates. One crucial element is keeping your affiliates motivated, and the best way to do this is through performance tracking. Make sure your affiliates can see their own stats, how much they've earned, how many clicks they've generated, and what their conversion rate is. This transparency keeps them engaged and motivated to work harder. Our software tracks all of this and displays it to affiliates automatically. Once your affiliates are set up, you want to test and optimize your system. Even though the system is running on autopilot, it's important to test different offers, commissions, and marketing materials to see what works best. You can A/B test directly in the software, making this process super simple. Lastly, don't forget to provide excellent support for your affiliates. They're the ones driving the sales, so it's essential to keep them happy. With the software, you can automatically respond to most common inquiries, but also make sure you have a system in place for more personalized questions or concerns. So here's the key takeaway. Build your Evergreen affiliate program by setting up the right automation tools, offering affiliates the right incentives, giving them all the resources they need to succeed, tracking their performance, and optimizing along the way. Once you've set this all up, the program will run itself with minimal effort from you. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software in the description below. It's perfect for anyone looking to set up their own Evergreen affiliate program and automate the entire process. Quick recap: automate tracking and payments, set up a clear commission structure, provide affiliates with resources, track their performance, and optimize. If you follow these steps, you'll have an Evergreen affiliate program running itself in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.